And here is Conley. Zero. Misses the three. The Mavericks trailing. And he's going up for the alley-oop. Trying to go for an alley-oop, but excellent defense and anticipation there to stop it. And the rebound goes to the Mavericks. And here they come for the lead. And he gets it to go. 9 points in the game so far.
Beautiful feed off the bounce to his teammate there. Nicely done.
Now here is Conley. Zero. And it's Michael Conley with a three.
Boy, I tell you what, he loves getting looks like that from the three-point line. No one near him. That's a warm-up jumper for him.
And if you're just joining us, we played over a minute here in the third. Doncic. Another three for Dallas. Now Conley. 11 points in the game. Minnesota calls timeout. Mavericks making a switch here. Pass to Anderson. First minute and a half of basketball here in the third quarter. No good with the layup.
It has not been an ideal start to the second half. They've missed 3 of their first 4.
Doncic. The three-pointer off the mark.
You know, even though he missed that three-point shot, I think the defense has to do a better job of challenging the shot.
Conley with it. Six on the shot clock. To the middle. Here's Gobert. Mavericks with the rebound.
Well, if this game comes down to the rebounding battle, they'll be the ones coming out on top.
Back to Hardaway. Hits it from three-point range.
You might not think of him as a laser three-point shooter, but that shot was there for him, and he had to take it.
Back to Anderson. Leads him in there. Right side Hardaway. Intercepted. Now here's Anderson. Quiet so far offensively, searching for his first points of the game. The Timberwolves again can't hit. Outside Irving. Knocked loose. And they're running. Here is Anderson. Zero. And they're going to count the bucket and send him to the line. It could be a three-point play. Mavericks making a switch here. And he'll be shooting his first free throw of the game here. Doncic. That's tipped. Inside. Now Noel. Here's Morris. And here's Anderson. Here's Morris. Morris, no good. Doncic. And that one comes up a bit short. 3 quarters of play in a close game here. We welcome you back to what has been a good one here as we get into the fourth quarter. The Mavericks leading. Now Irving. Inside, he gets the jumper to fall. Conley with it. Back to Anderson. Pass to Brown. Here's Gobert. Back to Brown. And the officials call goaltending, so they'll award the basket.
He didn't get to that one quite in time, Kevin. Those can be tough to gauge sometimes.
And the Timberwolves making a change here. There's the pick. Here's Irving. And here is Hardaway. Doncic. And there's the rejection. 60 seconds off the clock here in the fourth. Outside Conley. Back to Anderson. Tipped away. And Irving comes to help. Just 5 to shoot. 0. And the go-ahead bucket, no good.
You know, that's a problem he has. I mean, not being able to knock down that open jumper. I think it happens far too often. That's excellent defense right there on the perimeter.
The Timberwolves trail. Towns. Off target from three-point range. And they're on the break. Pass to Irving. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off. And we're around 2 minutes into the fourth quarter here. And the Timberwolves call time here. Kyrie Irving. Now here's Conley. Outside Hardaway. Gets it to go from beyond the arc.
You know, with all the shots they've knocked down here in the second half, their field goal percentage has crossed the 50% mark.
0. Pass to Conley. Launches a 3. Second chance effort. He takes it up and lays it in.
Very nice pickup of the offensive rebound. And once he gets his hands on it, you know it's going back up and back in.
Irving can't get it to go. Conley gets the bucket. Outside Irving. Doncic. Here's Powell. The stupendous finish in traffic. Here's Gobert. Outside Conley. Clock at 6. Shoots. And misses it off the right side of the rim.
Well, I like the defense there. Right up in his grill, didn't give him a chance.
Fourth quarter of play, and over 3.5 minutes have gone by. Well, we can probably expect to see him slow it down now.
Yeah, you got the lead. Burn some clock here.
Smart move.
Yep.
And the Timberwolves call time here. Guys, your thoughts? And the Mavericks making a change here. Zero. Connects. And what a sensational bucket to bring them within 1. Warren. Oh, the all-or-nothing shot. No good. So it's an arrow victory. Kyrie Irving.